Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a quick mill Silvano Evo with us in the shop. And pretty much it came in for a tune-up, and also there was a leaking air valve making noise and releasing pressure into the tank, so we replaced that. Also replaced the pump. Here's your original pump from 2016. Usually pumps start dying out. This one wasn't dying out, but of course it's good to replace those when you get the chance. So we did that also. Here is the original air valve. As you can see, all that scale buildup in there. It's kind of hard to, let me see if I can focus. As you can see, all of that scale buildup in Teflon will be leaking out of there. So we did replace that. Now we're going to test the machine. The machine's been on and it's ready. And so we're going to put this in here. And we're going to put these two. And we're going to pull a shot. This is using our test coffee. Don't worry about how fast or slow it comes out. I did not calibrate the grinds to the machine. And we're just making sure water comes out through the group head. And it's coming out well. Very good. And this machine doesn't have a hot water function, so we're just going to test the steam by clicking that. Right now that the steam boiler is hot, we're going to turn on and let it pump through. As you can see, it's going to start getting hot. It's going to start pumping water into your machine. And after a while, let's see if I can pull it down a little more. And it's working well. And that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other videos on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.